Okay, so we are live, guys. So sorry for that small, no, big, stupid thing that I did. I made sure participants did not watch the deck. Yeah. Cool. So we're good to go. So
Yeah,
for the
music.
participants again, for whoever saw whatever I did, uh,
Guys, like,
I
share,
made,
subscribe.
yeah, like, share, subscribe. That's point number one. And point number two, I made sure participants did not download or look at the questions.
We hope. We
If
wish.
only we knew earlier.
Yeah, we won't
Pura
take. We won't
covered
put
that.
so much of effort. We won't put so much of effort to download, then search answers, then a lot of.
Without any more delay, let's move to question one. Question one, direct to Abodit.
Time limits for each
No,
question
no,
are
no. There
there.
is no time limit. Take as much time as you want. Yeah. X was the
Oh,
founder of a hybrid martial arts philosophy called Jeet Kundo, drawn from different combat disciplines that is often created with paving the way for modern mixed martial arts, the modern MMA that we talk of. Lo Kuang from Mortal Kombat, Fei Long from Street Fighter 2, and Law from Tekken are all inspirations from are all taken from his inspiration. So which person am I talking about?
I mean, I don't even watch this stuff.
Yeah, just
I'm
take
a
any guess.
chilled out guy. No fighting and martial. Street Mortal Kombat. I don't have any idea, but I think Bruce Lee is pretty cool with this sort of martial art stuff, so he might have founded this maybe.
Okay, this is Bruce Lee. 10 points to
Oh my god,
We
Abodit.
literally don't even know another name,
Like,
dude, except from Bruce Lee.
that's what.
Yeah,
If
ऐसे ही
Bruce
होता
Lee
है
wasn't
answers.
the
Yeah.
answer, then like there is no other
Great.
guess also.
Question two, direct to Francis. X is a Japanese group of manufacturing companies. As the world's largest zipper manufacturer, it holds a massive share of 46% of the global zipper market. On July 20, 1969, when Neil Armstrong stepped on the moon, he had this company's zippers on. Identify this company.
Zipper.
Yeah. Don't do it. But most likely, if
Huh?
you're wearing a pants and it has a zip, most probably the
that's
company is
that.
gonna be this.
That's a
But don't
very
look down.
very bad clue. That's a very bad clue. That should have been a hint.
No, no, no. I'm just saying.
Ah, it'll be some 3 letter
It
or
is a,
4 letter word.
Yeah, otherwise it won't fit in the Jeep.
Yeah, that's what. Kia, KIA.
no, not Kia. Passing it to Sneha.
It's some group. YK group, maybe YK group. I guess. I don't know. I
Uh,
don't
is
know.
is that your final answer?
Yeah, yeah, it's my answer. YK group.
Okay, passing it to Varun.
I think it was Y2K. I only know two brands. So one is Y2K, I think.
Okay, this is a very tough situation. But anyway, passing it to Abudit.
Is it
That's
is that Lee?
No,
Lee.
that's not
Lee
Lee.
jeans.
Again,
Arey
I'll
Suraj,
make it a
is
five
it?
pointer.
Yeah. And you're giving about the clue, or like you
No,
already
no,
gave
I'm
a clue,
giving
right?
you a clue because it's your
No,
direct. Yeah.
no.
Okay, okay, okay,
Mhm.
Okay.
What clue
yeah.
should I give? It's very close to Varun and Sneha, like very close. Like think along those
Okay.
lines. It's a three-letter acronym.
Yeah, yeah.
Y2J.
It's your guess
Not
only.
Y2J, that's
I
Oh,
Jericho.
think it's
okay.
yours also.
That's
Ah,
That's
Jericho, of
Jericho.
course, I know. That's why I guessed
Yeah,
Y2J.
Sneha, passing it to you.
oh, it came to me.
Yes,
Um,
yes, bank would be investing on.
Y YKK.
It is
Yeah,
It
YKK.
is?
see. No, it's written on zippers like Y2K.
Oh,
I don't
really?
know why. Probably a rip-off company. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway,
Could be a
passing it
rip-off.
to question three, direct to Varun. Uh, in addition to being the most visited museum in the world, X is also the biggest, spanning across 15 acres. During the World War II, X was used as a storeroom by Nazis for housing stolen artwork. A famous painting Y, also known as La Gioconda, I think that's the pronunciation, is a permanent resident at this museum. So identify X and Y.
Uh, Okay. Louvre and Mona Lisa.
That is right. It is Louvre and Mona Lisa.
Nice.
Wow.
10 points
Wow,
to Varun.
crazy.
Okay.
Next direct is to Abodit.
I
Abo,
butchered
come
the
on.
pronunciation.
Yeah, it's.
Did not even hear of the Louvre Museum.
Dude, Abo, you should check it out.
No, Mona Lisa was for sure. That was for sure. But this museum also was great.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Abo, next, this question is for you.
Yeah.
Marie Curie was the recipient of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 1911, awarded in recognition of her services to the advancement of chemistry by the discovery of the elements X and Y. The discovery occurred when she was studying the mineral pitchblende. The element Y was named after Marie Curie's native land, and X was named after a Latin word. What are those two elements?
I mean, this I must have answered in 12th class very nicely.
Abodit has 96.7% in ICSE.
Wow.
Wow.
6.7.
Okay.
That's insane.
Radium.
Okay.
I guess radium.
What's the final answer?
Radium and curium.
Okay. I'm not reacting to it. Passing it to Francis.
Pass, no.
Just take a guess.
Lithium, huh?
No, not lithium.
Pass.
Oh, passing it to Sneha.
My turn?
Yeah.
It's radium and polonium.
Yeah, it is radium and polonium.
Poland.
Yeah.
Poland, okay.
Wow. Polonia.
Yeah.
So
10
I get
points
half,
to-
she gets half, something like this.
No, I
I
get
was-
full marks for this,
I was
please.
thinking
One of the few.
I was thinking Lithuania and I was thinking lithium. That's
Okay.
And me?
No, nothing. I told no, that's the rule. Whoever gives
No,
up
I
everything
didn't.
gets. Question number 5, direct to Varun. So these awards X were initially referred to as the Clare Awards or the Clares after this person, Claire Mendoka, the editor of Times of India. The trophy of X, originally designed by N.G. Pansare, is generally made of bronze with a height of around 46.5 centimeters and weighing around 5 kgs. To celebrate the 25th anniversary of the awards, the trophies were made in silver, and to celebrate the 50th year, the trophies were made in gold. So, which awards am I talking about?
Is it Nandi Awards or something?
Is that your final
Very
answer?
random guess.
What awards?
Yeah.
Varun's answer was Nandi. Passing it to, it's not Nandi, passing it to Abodil.
Something like this. Some sort of Bharat Ratna. awards.
Not Bharat Ratna, passing it to Francis.
IFA awards.
No, it's not. It's not IFA. Passing it to.
I is a small one.
Yeah, but Times of India does shitty awards only what I.
Yeah. Even that was my second guess.
Yeah, I was thinking of the same line.
Sneha,
You said IFA, right?
yeah,
I would say Filmfare then.
Oh,
it is
Filmfare
Filmfare
is-
Awards.
Filmfare is black in color, right? Oh,
Yeah,
Oh my god, Filmfare Award?
yeah,
This
it is
Filmfare Award is 5 kilo weight.
Wow.
It's so much
Yeah,
big.
My
it is.
God.
but how is it gold?
No.
It's
Only
not,
on one
right?
occasion
No,
they said gold.
those are special. Yeah,
Oh,
50-year thing.
Wow.
Yeah. So,
Fluke.
question,
I couldn't get this name.
Thanks, Francis, for eliminating IFA.
Ah,
question 6, direct to Varun.
I'll end up in zero for sure.
X is the only country in the world to have a non-quadrilateral flag. The shape of the flag symbolizes an infamous site of the country. It was officially adopted as the national flag in 1962, and the colors of the flag symbolize peace, harmony, and the brave spirit of the people. Which country am I talking about?
Sure. Nepal.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
That is Nepal.
Nepal, correct.
10 points to
Yeah, it
Varun.
has like some triangle.
Wow.
Why am I not getting this question?
Next question, direct to Avodit.
Okay.
X is a professional wrestler originally named Mark William Calloway. He joined World Championship Wrestling in 1989 with the ring name Mean Mark Callous. He was known as the Master of Pain for a brief period in 1989. He originally thought he would debut as an Eggman. Which wrestler am I talking about?
Again, wrestling and fighting stuff here.
About it, please pass, dude. I'll give you 100 rupees.
Mark William Cav. If you have spent your childhood watching WWE then or
Okay, is
WCW,
that famous?
I can't say that.
Maybe Mark William Waller, Professor Mark Eggman. What about Eggman Master? Okay, Master of Pain. Master of Pain. I remember this one. That inside the coffin guy. Coffin. The coffin guy.
Francis hopes are disappearing.
The coffin. Undertaker. Undertaker.
It is the
Arey.
Undertaker.
Nice.
Yeah. He's the Master of Pain one. Pain guy, right?
So
He
10
would die
po-
inside that coffin and then wake up.
yeah. 10 points
Zero, dude.
to
I'll definitely
opponent.
get zero now, man.
Next turn is to Francis. Next direct. After this question, the order reverses. Released in 1957, X was based on a real life experience. It is the only film produced by one of the lead actors who was the recipient of an Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role. The movie was nominated for the Oscars in 3 categories, but lost out on all of them to The Bridge on the River Kwai. The film was remade. This I think was a big clue. The film was remade into Hindi by Basu Chatterjee, titled "Ruka Hua Faisla." Ek Ruka Hua Faisla. So, identify the movie.
Identify the movie.
Yeah.
1957 movie.
Yes. Think of
12
the
Angry
timeline.
Men.
Yeah, it is 12 Angry Men.
Finally. Thank God.
Oh,
10 points to
directly
Francis.
answered something. Wow.
अरे 1957 में एक ही famous movie है dude. Like,
Next
12
question
Angry
is
Men.
to now the order reverses. So Abodit will get the next question.
Yeah.
So question number 9
Great.
to Abodit. How do we better know these people? Yeah, Kanka, who is an expert in dice, Ballava, the cook, Brihanala, the dance and music teacher, Grantika, the stableman, and Kantipala, the cowherd. So, how do we better know these people? The following.
Is that Panchatantra?
It's not Panchatantra. Passing it to Varun.
Okay. No idea. 5 fingers or something. Fist or something. Symbolism.
It's not fist. Passing it to Sneha. We have any answer?
Pass.
No answer. Okay.
No.
Passing it to
Not
Passing it
written.
to Francis.
no, man. Did Pandavas have any nickname like this or what?
I was actually going to say like
Yeah.
Yeah, I was of Arjuna was some Brahmanala or something like that or something. Okay, I'll
Okay.
take Pandava, Suraj.
Oh.
Pandavas is right
You-
answer. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, in Exile, I think.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it is.
Shit,
Pandavas
man,
in
I was
Exile.
just
They were
about
in
to
exile.
give that second guess in as Pandavas, but missed it.
nice, crazy.
oh, so last year
Nice.
they had to
Good
spend in exile.
question.
That's when they changed
okay,
their names
okay.
to
That's
these.
when they
And
changed their names. Okay, nice.
so next direct is to Abodit.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay. If Rufus the Hawk, the one you see in the picture, is an integral part of the Wimbledon team. Described as an important member of the Wimbledon family, Rufus is primarily responsible for X for the past 15 years, taking over the previous Hawk, Hamish. So, what is the responsibility of this Rufus the Hawk?
Can you just tell the scores?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell the scores
Sneha,
once.
Sneha has 25, and rest all of you have 20 each.
Wow. Okay.
20 each. Interesting.
Nice. Short-lived glory, but still glory nonetheless.
Yeah. Neha dominated the first half of the quiz.
Is that flag moving from here to there, like flag hoisting something?
No, not flag hosting. Passing it to Varun.
Is it responsible for like giving out the medals when they win?
Wow.
No, not
Something like
medals.
that.
Passing
Probably
it to
it will.
Sneha.
It's not Harry Potter, Varun.
You imaginative. I'm doing better quiz.
Okay. Increasing motivation among players. I don't know. Just take a random guess.
Okay, not motivation.
paid motivation.
Francis, your chance.
Okay, this hawk is responsible for to maintain the grass of the court because it doesn't allow any other birds to come to the grass. Something like that.
Can you say it
I'll,
again?
It is responsible for no other birds to come into the the grass, the field.
That is right.
Yeah.
It is to
Wow.
scare away the pigeons
Okay.
because they often interrupted the play.
Like in general,
Oh,
so no birds come to the tennis match because of this.
37
nice,
points to
nice.
Francis.
That's
Next direct
nice.
is to
that's a
Abodil.
nice
Francis
question.
jumped from 0
Yeah.
to 30. Acceleration is infinity.
Yay!
So,
And I'll end up staying there, guys. Don't worry.
and Abodil, next direct is to Abodil. Question 11. What does the number 007 represent in James Bond series?
Oh.
James Bond 007. I never thought of it, man.
I have read about this somewhere, dude. I can't.
Since you're the first guy, I'll just directionally guide you. 00 is one part, 7 is the other part. So, what is 00 and what is
007. No idea, man. I mean,
okay?
00. Is that something related to his location pin code where he stays? Starts from
No.
7.
That's not.
If that is the
Passing
answer, I'll
it
kill
to
myself.
Varun. That's the worst way to put it in a spy's name, I think. Because location.
He's giving out his location, like come
Location.
to 007 pin code, you'll find me.
Varun,
No idea.
Varun, your
I
chance.
have no clue, dude. Like literally.
Okay.
But I read it somewhere.
I had one guess after Suraj's clue. It was like,
Yeah.
okay, this is not the answer anymore.
Is it like a agent number and the rifle is issued or something, like a 7mm pistol or something?
Okay, what is 00 and what is 7? You're saying?
00 probably is agent number and 7 like the pistol that is issued, like a 7mm pistol.
Okay, that's not right. Sneha, your chance.
Okay. My answer was similar to Varun's, but just not that detailed. I was going to say it's his agent number. That's it.
Basically, that was funny.
Okay. It's agent.
Yeah.
Next, it was about this question, so passing it to Francis.
Pass. Like, I don't want to waste time.
I'll give you a clue now. So, 00 is actually a license given to him to do something. So think about those lines. Yeah, it's his license.
Kill two people at once without any fear. Tick, tick.
Okay,
And
so
God.
what's your final answer? What is 00 and what is 7? The question is now for 5 points.
For point blank shoot to anyone he wants. With 7 bullets at one go.
Arey. Okay.
Abodid using his
Let's
creativity.
pass. Let's pass
Yeah.
to Varun.
Okay, 00 probably license to kill anyone. Basically, 0 survivors, 0 witnesses, and 7 is his agent number.
That is absolutely right.
Maybe that is correct. Yeah, nice.
Whoa.
License.
5 points to Varun.
Wow.
Nice. Great crack.
That's a
Now, new
previous
question to me.
character.
Huh?
Yeah. Next question, direct to. I have 5 more questions.
Yeah,
5 more
but
questions.
I'm a master of passing. No direct question. I'm not able to answer.
So this is a history question. So actually, the
Wow,
code
great.
name of Indian military action to flush out the remaining Khalistan Sikh protest from the Golden Temple, following its predecessor Operation Blue Star in 1984. The operation was twofold, with the first one commanded by Julio Ribeiro in 1986 and the second one commanded by Kanwar Pal Singh Gill in 1988. Then he's the then DGPs of Police Office, Punjab Police. So compared to the Operation Blue Star, X was considered to be more successful in terms of blockade tactics and has been created with breaking the six apparatus movement entirely. So that is not entirely anymore, but yeah.
I'll pass. I
Okay.
can't even take a guess. I'm not able to
Passing
record.
it
Pass.
to Francis.
Okay, I'll just take a movie reference. Is it Baby?
No, it's not big. Passing it to Abul.
Maybe Operation Khalistan.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that would have made sense.
Varun, passing
No,
it to
it's a
Varun.
code name, right? Why would it be Operation?
No, just like Blue Star, like Operation Blue Star,
Okay,
Operation X. I
okay.
want the operation. Uh,
Okay.
Blue
Red Moon.
Red Moon.
Operation Red Moon.
Okay,
I
that's
have
not
no
right.
clue.
I'll make it a 5-pointer.
UPSC aspirants might be killing themselves watching this.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, I'll give you a clue. So
Sure.
there is, just like Varun answered, there is a color in this name. There's a color. Think color. There is a color in this name, Operation.
There is a color or
There is a color.
it is a color.
Like Varun said, what's the answer, Varun? Red?
Red Moon.
Yeah, he said red moon. So just like that, there is.
Black Friday.
Okay. Black Friday. Passing it to Francis.
I don't know. Blue Moon.
Okay. Okay.
Operation I'll take a
Abul.
guess.
Yeah. Abul.
Operation Silver.
No, not Operation Silver. Last chance, or after this we can close this question.
Golden Sun.
No, not
No
Golden
clue.
Sun. Okay, I'm giving away the answer. So it is Operation Black Thunder.
Wow.
Dude, I was close. It's like 2.5
Black Thunder.
for guessing the color.
For guessing the color,
Like the
what?
god.
Blue moon.
I
I'm
was on
getting
the
all
team
romantic
first.
answers. Yeah. Blue moon.
Once in a blue moon operation.
Okay. This is who's direct now?
Francis.
Francis, right?
After
Last
me.
No,
question.
no.
Francis.
Yeah, it was
Francis.
Francis.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah. This
football
question was
person.
asked to Sneha, right? So it's
So,
my.
Yeah.
X was a defender of the Colombian
He's so
football
hard.
team and was murdered by a drug cartel in 1994. The
Sorry, I
unfortunate
forgot this
event
guy's name.
occurred after Colombia was eliminated from the World Cup because of his self goal. Yeah,
I know the full instant, but I
Yeah,
can't
X.
remember the place.
yeah. The king of cocaine, who is the sole leader,
I don't-
Oh,
he shares his name with the drug lord. So
he shares his name. Pablo. What?
Correct.
What did he say?
he shares his last name with the drug lord.
Okay, Escobar.
He just gave.
Yeah.
Okay, the second name is
So
Escobar.
second name is Escobar.
First name. Suraj Rodriguez
Ospina.
Escobar.
No, that is not Escobar.
That is not correct.
Your chance.
David Escobar.
Not David Escobar. Passing it to Varun.
No, David नहीं है उसके नाम.
George Escobar. Jorge or
Not
George
passing it to
Escobar.
Sneha.
Out of all the
Mine?
football questions,
Yeah.
Suraj want to put this one.
Yeah.
This is how much football I know.
You should ask,
No, you don't.
you should ask
You just
country or
copy paste.
something. Yeah.
Sergio Escobar.
Go with
Okay. Going back to Francis. Now it's a
Okay.
5-pointer question. So
Okay, we'll give some clue for first name
yes,
also.
yes. Yeah, the first name
Okay.
is based.
Oh.
The first name is also the first name of a very famous tennis player.
Famous tennis player.
Okay.
I'll say. Try.
Wait,
try.
no, it's me. Wait.
Of all the players, I think only one name fits till now.
One name is shooting, but I'm like very skeptical if Suraj will give that as a clue. That's why.
Since it's 5 points, I'm very lenient about the clue.
Oh, is it? Then Roger Escobar.
No, not Roger Escobar. Passing it to Abudit.
It's not Roger. I only know that one
now
name
it's
is Dennis.
now it's elimination, dude. Like
So just
I'm
give
happy
me.
I'm going third at least. I want to go second.
horrible.
William Escobar.
No, not William Escobar. Passing it to Varun.
Rafael Escobar.
Okay,
Please,
Snehal,
no.
we'll close the question after you.
Close it, close it. You don't
Oh,
want
it's
to have any.
mine, no? I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
it's your chance.
take a
It's your
guess,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you'll close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Novak Escobar.
Okay,
Novak, no.
it is Andre Escobar. Andre Agassi was there.
Andre Agassi, okay.
Oh.
Okay, question 14, direct to Abudit,
About
right?
it.
About
Can
it.
we cut this
Yeah,
question out of the episode?
Please, Suraj, edit.
Can
Edit
can
this
we
out.
cut
Like,
this?
Yeah.
it's a shame. Like,
Okay, next question, 14 question, direct to Abudit. X was created by Shigeru Miyamoto and was later expanded to a series of platform games. X holds the Guinness World Record as the most successful gaming franchise of all time. The first appearance of X was in another game by the same creator, Donkey Kong. Since then, X has been featured in over 600 games. So, what is identify X?
Wow. It's a series of platforms. Monopoly?
It's not Monopoly. Passing it to Varun.
I have just a clarification. Is X like a character
Yeah,
or
X is a
something?
character. X is a character.
Huh?
X is a character.
Oh, it's a character.
Okay. Okay. Is it Mario?
Oh, yeah, it is Mario.
it's Mario, correct.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Ah,
10 points
Oh.
to.
Some questions I know, and that Varun is answering.
yeah.
Some I know.
Last two questions. Very closely fought. So, please, you can always. Scores are very even. So, almost 35 with Varun, Francis 30, Sneha 25, Abul 20, just 5 difference. So, you can always make up. So, yeah.
Oh.
X was first discussed by Leonardo of Pisa in the early 13th century and is also known as Nature's Secret Code. November 23rd is celebrated as X's Day. It is widely used in trading stocks, forex, cryptocurrency markets, etc. What is X?
This is my question, right?
Yeah.
I was thinking it has to do something with that ratio thing that is there, no? Like everything is in some fixed ratio, but not sure what it is called. I don't know. Golden ratio. Guessing.
Not golden ratio. Passing it to Francis.
Can't think of anything on that. Candlestick, or what?
No, it's not candlestick. Passing it to
Yeah,
Abul.
pass it.
Is that Pi Day?
It's not Friday. Passing it to Varun.
Okay.
I think it is Fibonacci.
Yeah, it is. Fibonacci.
Oh.
Like
Oh,
one, two, three.
nice.
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
10 points to Varun. Last
Nice.
question.
Please answer it. I can't play semi-finals.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Okay.
Just- X is a Northwest Semitic language of the Afro-Asiatic Asiatic language family. X used to be an everyday spoken language sometime between 200 and 400 CE. With the rise of Zionism in 19th century, X was revived as a spoken and literary language once again, and by 1998, X became a language of 5 million people worldwide. Arguably, X is the only dead language to have ever been resurrected. So, identify X.
I know only one dead language, Latin, but I don't know if that's the
Latin
answer.
is, okay. Latin is not the right answer. Passing it to Francis.
Hebrew, what?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
That is Hebrew.
Ooh.
So,
Oh my
and
god.
Oh,
Francis.
no.
Okay.
Bad news.
Nice.
How to face humiliation in semi-finals. No.
So that's all. Here, this marks the end
Varun.
of quarterfinal.
Varun,
four.
we did a mistake.
Great.
we are going to regret this for sure.
Yeah,
I told you, Suraj.
and
Arey, no, dude, this is a very respectable score. Yeah, when I participated, what is it?
Oh my God, is it?
yeah, this was very close. I think
This is very close till the
this
last
was
few
very
questions.
close until
Four of us were equally bad. That is what I can say.
uh,
No, Varun was great.
just one
he's-
request.
Varun is
No.
in case, of course.
Sorry, Varun.
I told Varun was great with the guesses
was
and
how
all.
just
How
one
many questions four of us didn't answer? Like literally, you had to
Very
give up
few,
the
I think.
answer.
One or two. Yeah, Andreas Cooper
Yeah.
is one.
I think 3 or 4. Yeah, edit it out. No, that's my only request.
Yeah, just put it like since there was some technical issues
Oh,
of this
see, the
question, like, we
audience are
couldn't-
commenting. Audience are already said with Francis OP.
Yeah.
Abey, even I don't.
Okay.
Somehow,
Yeah. He just underplaying and saying like I don't know anything and then answers her view.
Yeah.
View and everything, all the answers.
Same strategy, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining. And I have a
Thank
follow-up
you.
quiz.
Suraj, thanks.
So if you want, you can
That was amazing.
watch it. as
Thanks
an
for
audience.
organizing this event, Suraj.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
thanks,
much.
man. It's fun, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks, Abodit,
quite
actually,
fun.
for taking out time for this.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, it's first time someone is asking me questions as such after 5 years. Or else it's always asked like deliverables. Send this by Friday night.
Yeah.
Proud.
Arey, okay. Chalo. Thank you so much for
Guys,
joining and
subscribe,
see you in the
subscribe.
semis. Yeah, please subscribe.
Please subscribe, guys.
Thank you so much.
Cool.
See you.
Drop
Bye-bye.
in some nice comments.
Yeah.
Drop in some dope
Bye.
comments.
Thank you.